Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. Students, in this video we are going to discuss with you about new chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes. In this session I am going to discuss with you about what is meant by solid shapes or what are solid shapes and what is meant by views. YouTube views, I don't know what it is. Then faces, edges and vertices and Euler's formula. These four topics I am going to discuss with you, students. Are you ready? Yes. Students, in the previous classes we have studied about same topic, that is visualizing solid shapes or whatever it may be. Do you know what is meant by shapes? Have you remember what is meant by shapes? Yes sir, shapes are nothing but geometrical figures like square, rectangle, triangle, isn't it? The shapes are nothing but they are the geometrical figures. And in the previous classes we have studied about plane shapes, isn't it? Plane shapes. And in this video we are going to discuss about only solid shapes. Is there any difference between plane shapes and solid shapes, students? Yes, of course, because I have written in a different way. That's why. See, plane shapes are, students, two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional. What is meant by two-dimensional, students? Suppose take an example of this square or of this rectangle. Here we can see only length and width. 2D. Two quantities are there, that is, one is length and the width. We can observe here only two-dimensional. We can see two-dimensional, that is x-axis and y-axis. So that here the two dimensionals are length and width. So here is also length and width. In triangle also, sir, height barbadalri illa anta helbodu. Okay, that is only we will see, that is one side and this is the other side. We will see only two axis, that is x-axis and as well as y-axis. Okay, students, 2D is nothing but we will see only length and width of the figure. Then comes to solid shapes. The solid shapes are nothing but they acquire the space. They acquire the space. Sir, avaka jaga bekri solid shapes antandra jaga bekri. For what purpose? Yes, for example, see here. These are the solid shapes. They acquire space. They acquire space, students. And students, here we have to concentrate. The solid shapes are three-dimensional. The solid shapes are three-dimensional. What's meant by three-dimensional? See, here we will see only x and y axis. X and y axis. Is it one axis? Is on the axis. So two axes are there. But here in the solid shapes we will see three axes. What are those? X, Y, Z. Sir, L sir. So I will draw it figure. So concentrate. Is it, students? Just as it is this cuboid, as it is like cuboid. See here. Here the axes are three axes. What are the three axes we are seeing? That is, one is length and one is width. That is, one is the length and one is the width. Concept, students. Length and width and as well as height. We will observe here length, width and as well as height. By this you will understand. Sir, observe, this is the length and this is the width. Okay, this is the width and this is the height. Here we will see three-dimensional or 3D. Sir, now 3D picture notice, sir, three-dimensional picture. Ali enagta sir? Sir, as it is, sir, hero maimel bandange aagtan, sir. Like that you will tell, no? Yes, these are the solid shapes. They acquire the space and these are the 3D shapes. Why? Because these are having three axes. One is length, width, and as well as height. But in the plane mirror or a plane shape, in the plane shapes, we will see only length and width, students. Is it clear about our solid shapes and plane shapes? Yes, Kalappa and Vaishnavi. Yes, very good morning. Concentrate here. Plane shapes are two-dimensional and solid shapes are three-dimensional. Is it clear to you? Yeah. Then the next point we have views. What are the views? Sir, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 200 views, or 2K views. Like that we will see, sir, in YouTube. They are the views. Yes, students, that is correct in YouTube channel. That will be obeys the YouTube channel. That is related to YouTube channel. But here, the views are three views. One is front view, side view, and top view. What are those? Front view, side view, and top view. Students, in the geometry, we will see the three views: front view, side view, and top view. What is meant by front view, side view, and top view? Yes, students, by name itself, it shows that is, sir, hang noಡ್ತಿರ್ನಿ. View means visualizing. Sir, how you will see? Suppose front view means, sir, this is the front view of this object. I mean, nanna front view. Are you getting my point? What is front view? Sir, first hang ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, sir, that is the front view. This is the front view of this object or yours, sir. And by side view, second one we have side view. Sir, side ninta ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ, sir. Is it clear to you? It's very simple. Okay, then top view. Top view ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sir camera top ನಾಗ ತರಬೇಕಂತ, but I will bend. Sir, this is the top view of this object. Is it clear to you? Yeah, then again take one more example. Sir, this is bottle. The front view is like this, and side view same. Yes, it's okay, but top view is like this, isn't it? Sir, ಮೇಲಿಂದ camera ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ sir top view is like this. Simple. Then take a solid shape like this one. The front view is like, sir, right like a rectangle. Okay, the front view. Side view same adri, sir, as it is, but the top view is like square. Are you observing here? Yes, this is like square. Is it clear to you? Then one more. The front view is, sir, like rectangle, same. The side view is lightly thinner surfaces, isn't it? Sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಳ್ಳಗಾದ್ರೆ, sir, like this. Okay, and the top view, students, top view is, yes sir, this is also rectangle, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಳ್ಳಗಾದ್ರೆ, sir, little bit thinner than this. And these are called as, students, views: front view, side view, and top view. Okay, let's see one more example. Yeah, I will take these two objects or these two solids. Okay, these two are the solid shapes. Now tell me, what is the front view? Sir, front view venga, sir, it's like, isn't it? This front view is like this. Are you getting my point? Yeah. Then by side view, we are observing only one surface, that is like rectangle. Okay, then by top view, how it is? Sarvam dodda square adre sun rectangle. Like this we are visualizing. Are you getting my point, students? See here once again, this is the front view. Sir, how we are observing that one? We have to draw it like. Then by side view is like this, side into hand cut. By top view it is like this. Is it clear to you, students? Then one more. So I will draw first one. Sir, suppose assume that this is the front view. How it is, sir? Students, how it is? Yeah, like this, sir. It's like, yeah. Then by side view, concentrate here. Side view, sir, how we have to draw? Yeah, one square is there, but little bit. Again, one square is there, but it is literally backwards that square, isn't it? Or a cube. So like this is the side view. And by top view is this one. This is the front view, side view, and top view is this. How it is drawn like this. Sir, on the rectangle banda side, baju square. This is the top view. Is it clear to you? It's very easy. Okay, the front view is what we will see. Sorry, that is the front view. Side view is, yeah, pose sir, that is the side view. Top view is drone camera, like drone camera. Okay, these are about the views of the solid shapes. Okay, children? Yeah. And the next point we have faces, edges, and vertices. Faces, edges, and vertices. What is meant by faces and edges and vertices, students? Okay, concentrate. I will take this solid shape. So faces are nothing but, not these faces. See, the flat surface, students, the flat surface is called as faces, flat surface. And the edges are called as, edges means a straight lines, okay, or a line segment, we can call it as a line segments. And vertices are corner points. Okay, sir. So definition, easy definition over, sir. In the a solid shape. Let us take this one as a solid shape, students. And what is meant by faces? The flat surfaces. The flat surfaces. Sir, flat surface, sir. Is this flat? Yes. And this is also flat? Sure. And this is? Yeah. Then? Sure. These are called as faces, students. These are called as faces. The flat surfaces are called as faces. Are you getting my point? How many flat surfaces are there? Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Sir, first ones. Flat surfaces are 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is 5. And here is 6. How many flat surfaces there? Sir, 6 flat surfaces there. And I think you have got the point about what is meant by faces. Is it clear to you? Yeah, very good. Then edges. Edges means line segments. Line, you know that is lines are like this. Yeah. Sir, illi line note sir now. Illi line note sir now. Yes, we will see here. These corner edges or line segments are called as edges, students. These are called as edges. So I will draw it one figure so you can understand easily. Okay, concentrate, students. Here these line segments are called as edges, students. Are you getting my point? Sir, illi shape naga easily ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ sir, these line segments or these lines are called as edges. Simple. Is it clear to you? These line segments are called as edges. Suppose I will give you name for them: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, students. Then here we have to say how many edges are there. So students, how many edges are there in this figure? Concentrate here. I am writing here. Sir, AB is a one line segment. So AB is one line segment. Then AC is also line segment. Write it here. AC. Are you getting my point? Yeah, very good. CD is also line segment. See here, CD. Then BD. Okay. Sorry, ಇದು ಬರೇ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಐತಿ ಸರ್, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯ. Concentrate. And AE is also line segment, and BF is also line segment, students. Is it? Then again EG. EG is also line segment, and FH. FH is also line segment. Then GH. GH is also line segment, and as usual EF is also line segment. Sir, adori now check madri. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sir, 10 edges are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Sir, still two more. Sir, inna two bekagta. What are those? CG, concentrate. CG and DH. How many, sir? 12. Very good. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 4 4 3s are 12. I think it is clear to you that is what is meant by edges. Sir, edges are the line segments. Simple line segment. So I will check this one, this solid shape. Sir, here the edges are this one, and this one, and this one, and as well as these four, and as well as here is also 4. Concentrate here. How many edges are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay, then here 1 2 3 4, and again here the 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are 12, as it is like this, students. And these are the edges of this solid shapes. Is it clear to you? The faces are flat surfaces, edges are line segments, and vertices. What is meant by vertices, students? I have written here that is the corner points are called as vertices. Corner points, sir, we know that is, yeah, these are the corner points. See, these are the corner points, students. Isn't it? Sir, corner points are called as vertices. Is it? Yeah. Then tell me how many corner points are there here. Concentrate. A, B, C, D are the corner points. Sir, yes, sir. Muli. It is corner point. Like that. A, B, C, D are the corner points. A, B, C, D. Then again, E, F, G, H are the corner point. E, F, G, H are the corner points. Let's check with this one. How many corner points are there? Let's check. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 vertices are there. There are 8 vertices, or means the corner points are 8, and that corner points are called as, students, vertices. Very good, children. Then, sir, I think it is clear to you what is meant by faces and what is meant by edges and what are the vertices. Okay? Yeah. In the next topic we have, students, Euler's formula. That is Euler's formula. Euler's formula. What is the Euler's formula, students? Do you know? Yes. F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So what's meant by F, O, V and E? Simple, students. F are faces and V are vertices and the E is edges and is equal to 2. Sir, where we will use this formula? Isn't it? Sir, faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. Sir, where we will use this formula and where we have to apply this formula? See, students, so I will give you one example, and here we have, suppose assume that the question is like the faces are 6 and the vertices are 8. Let's find out the edges. The question is like the faces are 6, I mean 6 faces are there, 8 vertices are there, then find out the edges. How we will find? Sir, yeah, at that time we will apply this relation, I mean this formula, students. Substitute those values in the equation, then we will get the total number of edges. So try it once. Faces are 6, students, plus is there, vertices are 8 and minus we have to find out edges. So edges we don't know is equal to 2. 8 plus 6 is 14 minus E is equal to 2. Then this will come to this side and this will goes to that side. I mean transposing method. The 14 minus 2 is equal to E. 12 edges are there in the solid shape. There are 12 edges in the solid shape. For example, take this one. As it is in the previous example, what we have did. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like this. See, students, what he has given? There are 6 faces. Like cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there and vertices are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. Then here we have to find out how many edges are there. Sir, here we got an answer that is edges are 12. Now we have to check. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it clear? Sir, here the 12 edges are there. Sir, illi gottagilla antandre you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Barabar? Okay. Now I will give you one more homework or one more problem like this. Then find out the values. The number of faces are 5 and the edges they are given is 9, and we have to find out, students, vertices. Please try it, children, and tell me that how many vertices are there in this solid shape. We don't know what type of solid shape it is. Just here we are applying the Euler's formula to find out vertices. Here we have to substitute the values of faces, vertices, and then find out the value of vertices. Sir, edges are 12. I think that's the previous problem, Bharat Kumar. Here I have given Pragmatis at 12 vertices. Yes, check it once again. F plus V minus E is equal to 2. Rajat, E edges are 12. Yeah, that is previous one. Bharat Raichur, vertices are 12. Bharat, check it once, and Vaishnavi, we check it once. So what we have to do? Substitute the values. F is 5, plus is there, plus E is here, minus 9, and the V we have to find. Is it clear to you? Yeah, what I have did? Suggest I have substituted the values. Is equal to 2. Then what we will get? Minus 9 is here and 5 is here. V minus 4. V minus 4. Sure, that is minus 9 plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5 is equal to what, students? Minus 4. Isn't it? Then is equal to 2 is there. Minus 9 plus 5, we will get minus 4 and is equal to 2. And V is equal to, I will transpose this minus 4 to that side, it gives us how many vertices, students? There are 6 vertices. I think you have made a mistake while doing this step. I know. Is it clear to you, students? How many vertices are there? Yes, there are 6 vertices. Yeah, now it is 6 vertices. So I will give you one more. The edges are 8, faces are 8, and then edges are 10, and find out the value of vertices. Same as it is like this. I don't know what shape of figure we will get or what type of solid shape we will get. Just I am doing for you, I am practicing you to apply this formula. Okay? Yeah, tell me, students, what is the answer and how many vertices we will get? Faces are 8, I mean 8 faces are there, 10 edges are there, and we have to find out the vertices. Try it, children. So I will substitute here 8 faces plus B we don't know, and minus 10 is equal to 2. As it is. Rajat, check it once again. Pakka? 4 is the right answer? I don't know. Still, I have not done this one. Pakka? Yes. Yeah, many of them are giving their correct answer. I don't know. They are telling that vertices are 4. Let's check it here. V minus 2. That is minus 10 plus 8. We will get minus 2 is equal to 2. After transposing this minus 2 to this side, we will get 4. Is it clear to you, students? Yes. Yeah. Rajat, Vaishnavi, and Pragnamiti, and Margappa, Bharat. Yeah, that is vertices are 4 vertices, and the faces are 8, and we will get 10 edges, students. Okay, students, by this I will conclude my today's session. In this video, we have studied about what is meant by solid shapes and what are the views, front view, side view, and top view exactly, and faces, edges, and vertices. Faces are the flat surfaces, and the edges are line segments, and vertices are corner points. Then Euler's formula is concentrate, close your eyes, and bite it for 5 times. That is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. Like that, students. F plus V minus E is equal to 2. And this is the relation of, or this is the equation, or this is the formula of Euler's formula to find out faces, vertices, or edges. Okay, students. And thank you for being live, and thank you for being active in the group. By this, I will conclude my today's session. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, children. Bye bye.